Today we want to create a team based on a template with our collaboration manager. Before we begin, I'd like to show you here our template with 4 already predefined channels. To create our team, we first click the Create Site button, where we get a selection of different templates and choose that we want to create a Microsoft team. Now we can directly select our predefined template, the project team you just saw. For this example, let's use the title Leadership Circle. As you can see, an identical mail nickname is automatically created below, and we can enter any description here. Then we click the Next button. Here we can now add an owner and of course also members, as many as necessary, and we can choose whether the team should be set to private or public. Then we click on Next again. In the second step, we can now set freely definable metadata. Here in our template, we have defined the cost center, the department, as well as the expiration and archiving date. Then we save the whole thing with a click on Finish. So the team is now being created in the background. And now we can close the dialog. We now take a look at SharePoint's workspace list. And here we see our new entry with the status pending. That is, a predefined approval workflow has been triggered in the background via Microsoft Flow, and our new team still has to be approved. For this, we go to Outlook, and here we see an email from Microsoft Flow with a standard approval template, which we can now use to approve the new team. Back to our workspaces list. Here we see that the item's status has now changed to approved. And just a few seconds later, the collaboration manager starts to create the team based on the project team template. So now we see that the team has the status completed and has been created. If you now go to the Teams tab, you will see that our Leadership Circle team has been created with the 4 predefined channels that you had previously seen in our project team template. And this is how we can easily create teams based on a pre-configured template, including an approval workflow.